These RC Adventures here with another unboxing video. We got something in the box. Don't know what it is, but I'm willing to find out what it is. So let's get to it. See what's in this box. And yeah, got. So, I think we have a new Element product. Sports edition. Enduro. For all you guys know, I do have another Element product. As they say, the Night Runner. Call it the Taco Truck. It's one of my favorite ones that they ever made. And I'm willing to do almost the same thing to this truck. Let's get this box open and see what this thing look like. All right, you guys. Let's get this box open, see what's in there. Hopefully they didn't give me no mini one. Just the remote. No nice Fly Sky remote. So, good information to know about the vehicle. Here she is, guys. Here she is. Beautiful truck. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Some goodies, got some stickers. Like some accessory parts. Looks pretty cool. Let's see if I can get this back. Look, we got a little scale garage in there. Little scale garage, look like. Can't wait to get that open. See what that look like. Yeah. So, here's the truck out the box. So far, this truck looks pretty clean. And again, this is my first review of a Enduro SE Sport Edition truck. Here's my Night Runner. Haven't played with this in a couple months, but very skilled. Love everything about this truck. Has all the functions you can think. We'll be adding a winch to it soon. Have a Reefs Micro 99 winch servo laying around here. Just need to install it. But so far, that's my baby. It's my baby. Back to the SC. This truck, so far, it's like a decent trail truck. Decent trail truck. I'm might be having an interior soon for this. I like to keep my vehicles with interior, and I like the scale functionality about it. Love interiors, making the thing look the most as real as I can. Got some Stilly B locks on here. Tires feel pretty foamy. Look at that suspension. There's a servo on there. Servo and axle. Reedy servo. See, we got some bushings. I love the suspension on this. It's one reason why I got this truck. Suspension on this, the servo and axle. Just an all out, straight out trail truck. Love it so far. Let's get this body off and see what's inside. So it looks like we have a rear battery tray. I was told we can be able to put that up front, make more weight up front, make this an all outstanding trail truck. Got the Reedy ESC, a Reedy motor, crawling motor. It's a 25T. The Stealth FX transmission. Looks upgraded than the Tacoma, my Night Runner one. And then we have the receiver box. Oh no, a nice, well trail truck. Thinking that these wheels will look good on this truck. I had these wheels laying around for a while. Didn't know what to put them on. Tried them on a couple vehicles, didn't like them. So I'm guessing this truck should probably get these ones. This is the light bucket kit, the mirrors and the wipers, I think. The body accessories for the Senduro. One with the black. Of course, just love black, everything. Black is just perfect to me. These will be getting installed, I think, later today, as long as it's as well as the B-Lock tires and wheels. And the GT5 remote, so I'll probably get this on the trails either today or tomorrow. You can see. But so far, it's a pretty cool truck. For $299, not bad. Definitely would be doing a little bit more reviews on my vehicles. I know I haven't done none. This is my first one, but pretty much do all my builds off camera, which pretty much going to start switching that over to being on camera. Trying to get more content on YouTube and just get out there and show the world what I have and what I can create. So for all that said, probably be getting this truck on the trails either today or tomorrow. Until then, guys, it's these RC Adventures here, and please like and subscribe. Comment whatever you guys like about this truck. And yeah, y'all have a good one.